In India, there are over 12 million gig workers. Zomato and Swiggy delivery partners earn 700 to 900 rupees a day, but only when they deliver. When a rainstorm hits Bangalore, delivery volumes collapse by 60 to 80% within hours. In one disruption, a worker can lose 1400 to 1500 rupees for the week. And right now, there is no safety net, no insurance, no payout, nothing. They borrow from moneylenders, they go hungry, they have no choice. We built HustleSafe to change that.
HustleSafe is a real-time, AI-powered parametric income protection platform built exclusively for food delivery partners. Here's what makes it different from any insurance product that exists today. We don't wait for a worker to file a claim. We detect the disruption, verify it, and trigger the payout automatically. The worker doesn't fill a form. They don't call a helpline. They just receive a push notification. Income protection active. And within 60 seconds of the disruption ending, the money is in their UPI accounts. The weekly premium ranges from 15 to 40 rupees, under 1% of their earnings, less than a cup of chai. Let me walk you through the story of Ravi, a Swiggy partner in Koramangala, Bangalore. On Monday, Ravi pays 25 rupees. His standard policy activates. Coverage cap 1200 rupees for the week. Thursday, 3:15 p.m. Open Weather app reports 42 millimeters per hour of rainfall in Koramangala. Our hyperlocal disruption intelligence engine, the HDIE, calculates the gig disruption score for Ravi's zone. It hits 82. Black zone, delivery shutdown. 3:17 p.m. Ravi gets a push notification. Coverage is active. Our 12-signal fraud engine runs in the background. Ravi's GPS checks out. His accelerometer shows he was on his scooter. Score 0.08. Auto approved. 3:47 p.m. The rain clears. The system calculates his lost income. 3 hours at 90 rupees an hour. 270 rupees. 3:48 p.m. Ravi's phone lights up. 270 rupees credited to your UPI. Stay safe. 0 claims filed. 0 forms. 0 waiting. That's HustleSafe. Under the hood, HustleSafe runs on a layered AI and machine learning stack. The HDIE uses sharply attributed XGBoost weights across 5 live signals: weather, traffic, AQI, government alerts, and platform demand to compute a zone-specific disruption score every 2 minutes. Premium pricing is a separate XGBoost model, rerun every Sunday for the following week with per worker explainability. Fraud detection runs 12 signals, including GPS trajectory coherence, cell tower versus GPS discordance, and accelerometer motion signatures, making the system economically irrational to attack for a 270 rupee payout. The stack is Next.js on the front end, FastAPI and Celery on the back, PostgreSQL on Supabase, and Razorpay for payment.
We are building this over 6 weeks. Phase 1, the foundation, is what you are looking at right now. Architecture, data pipeline, the HDIE V1, and the onboarding flow. Phase 2 brings the full policy engine, claims automation, fraud detection, and Razorpay integration. Phase 3 is the Insurer intelligence dashboard, the LSTM demand collapse model, and the disruption simulator for the final demo. Our goal is simple: make income protection for India's gig workers as frictionless as ordering a pizza. We are Team ByteBandits from Amrita University. This is HustleSafe.